The first of these dreams was a revolutionary movement which would create a free and united India. India today is free. But she has not achieved unity. The old communal division into Hindus and Muslims seems now to have hardened into a permanent political division of the country. It is to be hoped that this settled fact will not be accepted as settled forever or as anything more than a temporary expedient. For if it lasts, India may be seriously weakened, even crippled. Civil strife may remain always possible. Possible even a new invasion and foreign conquest. India's internal development and prosperity may be impeded. Her position among the nations weakened. Her destiny impaired or even frustrated. This must not be. The partition must go. Let us hope that that may come about naturally by an increasing recognition of the necessity not only of peace and concord, but of common action. By the practice of common action and the creation of means for that purpose. In this way, unity may finally come about under whatever form. The exact form may have a pragmatic but not a fundamental importance. But by whatever means, in whatever way, the division must go. Unity must and will be achieved. For it is necessary for the greatness of India's future.